Sharp solar energy manufacturer. As the world looks to alternative fuel sources to save the environment and money, solar energy has come to the forefront. Sharp Solar is known as one of the leading manufacturers. Sharp solar energy manufacturer. Solar energy has become increasingly important in today's world. With fuel prices skyrocketing and other forms of home energy being impractical, solar energy is the Earth's best solution to powering our lives. Solar products are a great way to collect energy from the sun and harness its power to run our households. Sharp solar products are a great choice in the solar marketplace. Sharp is the #1 manufacturer of solar cells, manufacturing more than its 3 nearest competitors combined. Sharp solar products are a convenient, safe and economical way to absorb solar energy and convert it into a usable form for household use. Sharp has led the solar industry for over 45 years now, and they have installed solar product systems everywhere from houses to office buildings to even on satellites. There are 4 basic parts to the Sharp solar energy production system. The solar modules collect the sun's rays in their solar cells and convert it into usable energy. The inverter converts the electrical current that is created from DC, direct current, to AC, alternating current, which is the type of electricity used in homes. The Sharp monitor allows you to see how your system is doing in terms of output and performance. The final part of the system, the electric meter, shows you how much power you are using. In 2003, Sharp introduced their residential solar systems for use in the United States. These systems, used throughout the world before coming to the US, have allowed Sharp to be named the #1 solar cell producer in the world every year since 2000. Sharp solar products are now also being produced in a clean factory in Memphis, Tennessee, which represents an investment on the part of Sharp into the future of solar power. Sharp offers their solar power systems for sale through their own Sharp Solar department or through an independent Sharp Solar certified installer. The installers are able to come to your home and help you decide on your own solar energy needs. They can quote you a price on the amount of work and materials needed to make your house a solar-powered one. Whether you want to cut down on your energy costs or cut down on damage to the environment, Sharp solar products are a great way to achieve your goals. Solar products are cost-effective and, once installed, easy to use and maintain. Solar energy is a great way to reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and other earth-harming energy sources.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.